Minecraft cake. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, this is Emery, that's Aaliyah, and on this channel I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit that notifications bell so you can see when we post our next video. So, Emery is turning, how old? 4 today. And he chose the kind of birthday cake he wanted to make, which is Minecraft. As you can see, he's all decked out in his Minecraft garb. He's got his creeper hat and his pork chop Minecraft shirt. So we're going to start with a chocolate cake base because chocolate is his favorite, right? And he's going to make it. So, here we go.
Butter, oil, sugar. Now we're gonna mix it. It's on the side. It's so white. Yep. We're gonna mix it again. Eggy. There is flour and a chocolate. Alternately. Chocolatey boy.
There you go.
Yummy chocolate. Now we're gonna bake it.
Alright, let's do it. Hold on.
We're gonna make an Enderman.
We're gonna cut out an Enderman shape and put it on this cake board and then decorate it like an Enderman, right? There you go, there's our Minecraft cake. What is it actually?
Enderman.
Enderman cake. Happy birthday, Emery. I can't believe you're 4. Good job making your own birthday cake. Did you do this one?
Birthday cake.
High five.
Yeah.
High five.
No, my birthday.
If you enjoyed this video, you might also really enjoy the birthday cake he made last year, which was his first birthday cake that he made by himself, right? He turned 3, and what was it?
Birthday cake. Birthday cake.
So go check it out right here, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, hit that notifications bell so that you can see when we post our next video. Have a great one.
And we're gonna eat it.